Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page with a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is transformation, confirmation. Capricorn, not only have you changed on the inside and changing, you're still growing, but your outside is starting to reflect that change. You're seeing progress, right? Congratulations. Keep on moving forward. You did not come this far to stop. You've come to complete your goal, and I know you're going to do it because I need you. The world needs you, and it's going to be so satisfying. I am constantly evolving, and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths, becoming an all-powerful being. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. Therefore, I become stronger and wiser, and I can receive and maintain bigger blessings than I can even imagine. And I'm aware of the progress and open my wings to light. I allow myself to transform and grow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.